Click on the link below to get price. The Superior Encore Plus 18 kW Steam Shower Generator Kit, featuring a horizontal black keypad, presents a compelling option for those seeking to enhance their home bathing experience. As steam showers have gained popularity, the design and functionality of such generators have evolved to meet the demands of modern users. This particular model stands out with its array of features tailored to deliver convenience and comfort. At first glance, the kit comes complete with a generator, a control panel, and various installation components, making it relatively straightforward to integrate into an existing shower setup. The 18 kW output is designed to provide a steady stream of steam, effectively transforming a regular shower into a spa-like retreat. The horizontal black keypad is a notable aspect of the design, offering a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that can complement various bathroom styles while also providing ease of use. One of the key features of the Superior Encore Plus is its efficient heating capabilities. The generator is engineered to reach operating temperature quickly, which can be particularly beneficial for those who may not have the patience to wait long periods for steam production. Additionally, the unit is equipped with an automatic drain functionality, which helps to maintain optimal performance and prolongs the lifespan of the generator by preventing mineral buildup. When it comes to installation, the kit is designed with user-friendliness in mind. While some plumbing and electrical work may be required, the comprehensive manual provides clear instructions to assist users throughout the process. For those who may feel less confident in their DIY skills, enlisting the help of a professional may be a prudent choice to ensure proper setup. In terms of usage, the horizontal keypad allows for intuitive operation. Users can easily adjust settings such as temperature and duration, tailoring their steam experience to personal preferences. This level of customization can greatly enhance relaxation, whether one is seeking a brief rejuvenation or an extended steam session. In summary, the Superior Encore Plus 18 kW Steam Shower Generator Kit with horizontal black keypad is designed to offer a comprehensive steam shower experience. With features like quick heating, automatic drainage, and an easy-to-use interface, it aims to meet the needs of individuals looking to elevate their personal bathing routine. Its thoughtful design and functional attributes may appeal to those wanting to incorporate a touch of luxury into their daily lives.